In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Make, a powerful platform for automating workflows between various apps and services. This integration will enable you to seamlessly pull data from Google Forms and use it within your Make scenarios, enhancing efficiency and productivity. To get started, first log into your Make account and navigate to the Make dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create Scenario button. This is where you'll begin building your new automated process to connect Google Forms with the other tools and apps you use. Next, type Google Forms in the search bar within the Make platform. This will bring up options related to Google Forms, allowing you to select the integration that best suits your needs. Click on the Google Forms option to proceed. This action confirms that we'll be setting up our scenario to interact with Google Forms. Now you'll see various triggers and actions associated with Google Forms. Look for and click on the option labeled Search Forms or Other Event. This option enables Make to pull in data from the forms you specify, setting the stage for further automation. At this point, you'll need to establish a connection between Make and your Google Forms. Simply click on Add Connection to initiate this process. This step is crucial as it will allow the two platforms to securely communicate and exchange data. In the connection setup, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Click on Sign in with Google to proceed. This action will open a Google login window where you can enter your credentials if you're not already logged in. After signing in, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Click on the appropriate account that you want to connect to Make. Selecting your account is a key step, as it ensures that Make has the necessary permissions to access your Google Forms data. Once you've selected your account, Google will ask you to confirm that you want to allow Make to access your account data. Simply click on Continue to confirm these permissions and finalize the connection. With that done, you have the option to refine your scenario further. If you want to target specific forms, you can type in criteria such as Document Title Contains to filter which forms Make should interact with. This step provides customization so that your workflow aligns perfectly with your exact requirements. Finally, after configuring your settings to your liking, look for the Save button. Click Save to ensure all your changes are stored and your new scenario with Google Forms is ready to run. And that's it. You've now successfully set up an automation that connects Google Forms to Make. This will streamline your data management process, making it easier to integrate form responses into your larger workflows. I hope this guide was helpful, and I look forward to seeing what automations you create. Enjoy your newfound efficiency with Make.